Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we would be continuing discussing our top 150 series of questions on Leetcode, and today we are going to discuss question which is spiral matrix. So let's go to this question and see what it states. So it states that given M cross N matrix, return all elements of the matrix in spiral order. So this is like we will be given one matrix and we have to return all the elements in spiral order. So this is, for example, one. This is 3 cross 3 matrix, and we have to return all the elements in this order: 1 2 3 6 9 8 7 4 5. So this is being printed as output. Similarly, for this 3 cross 4 matrix, we have to print in this order and then in this order. So the answer should be 1 2 3 4 8 12 11 10 9 5 6 7. So this can, like, m and n values can go up to 1 to 10, and the values of matrix I can go from -100 to 100. And like, let's see, so let's see like how we are going to solve this question. So what we will do is, like, initially we will check out this outer box, outer boundary of the box. Then we will traverse the inner boundary of the box. Then we will traverse the inner box, and in this way we will go in the inward direction. Similarly, for this matrix also, you can see first we have traversed the outer box, then we will traverse the inner box. So this is the way which we would be following. So, like, without wasting any time, let's go to the code and see how it is being implemented. So we are given this function spiral order, and we are given this matrix. So we are initially defining m as the matrix dot size and n as the matrix 0 dot size. So this is a m cross n matrix, and we are also defining our vector int ans, and then we are looping from I is equal to 0 to min of m plus 1 by 2 and n plus n 1 by 2. So we'll only traverse, like, we have to check out all the boxes. So we'll only go up to the half length, and that also minimum half length. Otherwise, it will go out of bound, array out of bound. So we are passing it on to the helper function, and in helper function we are passing this matrix, and then we are passing this I, which we have got from here, and then we are passing this m. This is the number of rows in the matrix, and n is the number of columns in the matrix, and answer, this is the final answer which we are going to return. So now let's see how this helper function is implemented. So in this, first of all, we are checking if I is equals to n minus 1 minus I. So if it is the middle row, it means that, so suppose n is 3 and I is 1. So I is 1 and this value will also become 1. So this condition corresponds to the middle row. Sorry, this condition, because n is the number of columns, so this condition corresponds to the middle column, and this condition corresponds to the middle row. So I will write it down also here. This is like middle column, and this is middle row, because m is our number of rows. Yeah, correct. So in the middle column we will just traverse it, and we will return, and in the middle row also we will just traverse it, and we will return out of the function. So suppose this is the condition in which middle row is coming, and in this we will just traverse this and we will return. But in other conditions we will have to go in each of the four direction. Right direction, suppose this is the first case, so we have to go in right direction, then down direction, then left direction, then up direction. The same thing we are doing here also. So first of all, we are going in right direction, so j varies from I to n minus I minus 1, and then we are pushing the answer. So this is the right direction. Then we are going the down direction. So this first loop will cover this 1 2 3 4. Then we will cover the down direction. So this down direction will go from I plus 1 to m minus I minus 1. So this will cover 8 and 12. Then we are going to left direction. Left direction will cover J varies from n minus 1 minus 2 to greater than or equals to I. So this will cover 11, 10 and 9, and then we'll move into the up direction. So this varies from m minus I minus 2 to greater than I. So this will only cover this 5. If there would have been more elements, then it would have covered more elements here. So this is the loop which will be running, and after passing this function, we will fill our answer array with the correct traversal, and finally we will return our answer. So let's try to run it and see whether it's working fine. So yeah, it is getting accepted. Let's try to submit it as well. So yeah, it has got accepted. So this solution is working fine. So I will attach this code solution in the comment section of the video, and I will also attach this problem link and problem description in the description of the video. So stay tuned to this top into 150 series of questions on Leetcode, and we will be continuing discussing all the questions in this series one by one. I have already uploaded around 30 to 40 questions, and I'll be covering all the questions one by one. So subscribe to my channel and like this video. And yeah, thanks and have a nice day.